Hello everyone, myself Gandhi Arja. My project definition is food billing system which is based on Python programming. So let's get it with the code. So firstly I have introduced Kinter package which is used as to make GUI and especially for widgets. Here it is import time for importing time, date time, random for the random number generation, taking the message box for getting the message box in the output screen. Here root tk is introduced for getting the output window. Here root geometry is introduced for getting the dimension or how much dimension should the output look like. Now here I have given dimension of 1300 cross 700, and here the title is given as food billing system, which is our heading or which is the project definition. Configuration, I have given the background color for whole output screen is light green. Now here top frame, frame is known as widget for organizing the widgets, which I have given as light green as background color. Border width is 20, pad y, which is also known as padding for y-axis, or it can be defined as space which you want to give between widgets is equal to 5, and relief is the type. I have given the type as ridge, and I have given the siding equal to top, which will be placed at the top of the output screen. Here label title is equal to label, which is method which is called by the object, which has tops, which is also widget, with a font of Arial, having the size of 60, border type as bold, which is to be placed with or which is to be considering with the text of food billing system with the border width of 12 and background color of black. Now here text for here background color for only that heading text which is food billing system, but the whole output screen will have background color of green, but only background color black, which is only for food billing system, which is justified or which is aligned at center. And FG is the foreground color which is concealed and which has row equal to 0, which is placed at the row equal to 0. Now coming with the receipt calculation, it is also known as an a method, as an object, and which is called at the side of right with the background color light green, border width of 10, and relief equal to range. Same as button, which has the calling of receipt calculation function with the border background color of light green, border width of 3, and relief equal to range, and has the placing of side equal to bottom. With the same as calculation function with frame widget, it has background color of light green, border width of 6, relief equal to ridge, and calculation with siding has top. Same as for receipt, menu frame, cost of drinks and drinks, cost of foods and drinks. Here same siding of left, siding of right. Now here I have introduced 16 variables which is to be declared. Means I have total 16 beverages or 16 items in the menu card, so I have declared variables up to 16, and rather than that I have introduced date of order which is string variable, receipt reference string variable, till service charge which has string variable, and text input is equal to string variable. Now talking about the items which I have introduced in the menu card, let's say hot coffee, which has a string variable data type till fajitas, till 16th number of our item has a data type string variable. Now talking about underscore hot coffee dot set, which is default set as 0 till fajitas 16th item number, and date of order is set as modular D, modular Y, modular Y, which is known as date, month and year. Now going with the function declaration, I have defined iExit function. So here we are using the message box which I have introduced earlier from importing the Kinter message box. which will ask a user to select yes or no. If you want to remain in the system, you will select no, and if you want to be exited by the output or by the screen, you will select yes. So now defining the function reset. If you want to recalculate or you want to reassist the bill, you can select this function. I have introduced paid text.set and another various functions in it. Total cost, cost of food, cost of drinks, service charge, tax receipts. Now defining the variables here and set it as 0. Now talking about the configuration which is stated as disabled, we'll see in output why I have stated as disabled. Now here the cost of item is declared with a data type of float, and here the price of drinks and price of food which is declared, I have given numerous values of item. Let's say for hot coffee that is 40, Pepsi is 20, going to the price of food till item 16 which is fajitas is 3. Now I have calculated some of its service charges, cost of foods, etc. by the lines of code, piece of line of code here, by getting the service charge, by calculating SC here, and I have called SC here by setting it. Now for the subtotal of items, I have given a modular 2.2f modular price of drinks plus price of food plus service services. I have taken 1.59 here, and calling the tags here. Same is for the price of drinks, price of food, total cost, it will be calculated with TC. Now defining the variables for the as functions in it, I have stated as if variable dot get equal to 1, as stated earlier, which was disabled. If you enter the quantity greater than 0 or equal to or greater than 1, so it will be stated as normal. If you don't select any of the menu card items, it will be disabled by default till the same functionalities piece of codes is done till fajitas, till the 16th item of it, like this here. Now creating the receipt or defining the receipt, I have taken the random number generation here. It will generate random number for the receipt. Now talking about the tax receipt insertion, I have given the date of order which is to be called by the date, month and year wise. Now and the cost of items, I have inserted the items here. Let's say hot coffee till fajita 16th variables items, and the paid tax, subtotal and total cost. Now here I have created the buttons. If you want to select the button, you have to check the button which has variable equal to 1 till the 16 variables on value equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. of value equal to 0 means none of it selected, which has the font of Arial, size of 18 and type of bold, which has background color of light green, command equal to chat hot coffee, and grade equal to row equal to 0 and sticky W. Till fajitas it is the same. Now moving forward with the code, I have defined here label cost of drinks, which was described earlier, which has the cost function, font is equal to Arial, text of cost of drinks, background color of light green, FG foreground color is equal to black, and justified as center. Cost of drink, cost of food, both of it. Here you can see the label cost of food, which is aligned as center with the Arial of font of Arial, size of 14 and type of board with the cost of food as the text, and the background color of light green. Moving forward, same as for service charge, paid tax, same as all with the subtotal, total cost, Now talking about the buttons, which is placed at the bottom right, this piece of code which has button widgets with a padding of x-axis and y-axis as 1, border width of 7, fg equal to red, foreground color which has included in the button which has the red color. I have differentiated here the font for difference in to look different in buttons, as it has a unique variable in it with its total receipt, naming with it total receipt, reset and exit buttons, which has the font of chiller and the size of 16 and type of bold, which has background color of black for the specific buttons in it, which has command receipt and grade, which is placed at column 0, 1, 2 and 3, which row equal to 0. Now here I have defined the button click introduced by the global operator for all of it, for button click, clear and equals to, which is included in it for the output. Now we'll come to the buttons. These buttons are used as if a customer has a bigger note and the employee which is working on the system has to give the change, so he or she can calculate the system, calculate the change within the system. So this is the code for calculation, so how much change you need to give back to the customer. So let's say for the calculating button 7, I have introduced 8 all the buttons which are included in the calculator, with a clear button, equal button and division button in it, with the what we can say padding of 16 for the x-axis, y as 1, border width of 7, foreground color of black, font is Arial, and with the size of 16, bold, type of bold and with the fold and text which is 7. All the numbers are included in it with the background color of light green. Command equal to lambda button click. If you click the button, then it will show on the screen with the rows and columns which are introduced in it. So here we will execute by the root.main loop, which helps to execute our program. So we'll run it and see the output. So yeah, this is the output. It has the screen of 1300 cross 700, which has the buttons. See, like here is a calculator. If you want to add, it gives the calculation of adding, subtraction, multiplication and division, and it has a clear button. Now here you will see the default value as 0. By clicking in it, it will be enabled and you may have the choice to enter the quantity of in it. Let's say I have given the hot coffee as 4, mojito as 4, 2, cold coffee as 3, veg burger 2. Now we will get the total of it and will generate the receipt. So if and see here, it has a time, it has a date and a random number generation here 366203, which is in the range of which we have seen in the code. So if you want to reset it, you can reset, so whole output will be erased. And if you want to exit, here the message box is displayed which we have used by the Kinter library. If you want to remain in the system, you may select no, and if you want to exit, you may select yes. So thank you, that's all from the project. The link for this project is given in the description. Thank you, and always be a learner.